What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. I'm on my phone today because I have a little project that I'm going to do. What that project is going to be exactly? Let me show you. I'm going to take all of these coins and I'm going to take them and cash them in. And I'll explain why in a future video, but right now this video is just going to be me going to the store and cashing these in. Well, on my kitchen table, take a last look at another one. I'm going to take these to actually the store that I work at because I have a Coinstar, and let's see how much I can get from them. I'll be there in about 15-20 minutes, and see you there. That's it. Here I go. I am in the van that I'm going to take to my work, and well, it's going to be a bittersweet goodbye to these coins, but they're not really worth anything, and I just want to get some space. I need the space, so to speak, so I'll see you when I get there. I'm here at the store, and the Coinstar is right inside, and it's actually the same store where I work, so that'll be pretty cool trying to film myself in there. Let's get to that Coinstar and get rid of those coins. It's gonna be bittersweet, but it'll be good to finally get rid of them. Here's the Coinstar. Took the ejector tonight to see if there's anything in there. Nope. And let's do, if I can put it this way you can see more. Choosing a gift card. Let's do Amazon, and it gives you the notifications. All this. Let's get these coins cashed. We're almost at $50 so far. Almost at $100. Here's the final total. 548 pennies, 266 nickels, 287 dimes, 292 quarters. All one of $130.48 to get the cash in. It's a lot of coins. Let's get out of here. Trying to catch up, and I can give from a gift card or have a cash voucher. I'll do this.
Please wait for printing to finish.
Alright, here we are. Alright, it's actually pretty dark in here, but I went in the store like 8 o'clock at night, so it is getting pretty dark. Maybe I can open the door. That actually has a little bit of light. I decided to change from my e-gift card to cash voucher because I saw who is at the customer service desk, and I wanted to say hi because I work at this place, and I know pretty much everyone there, so that was why this time it changed at last minute. I'm going home. See you at home. Well, back home. My map is right there. And there are quite a few coins Coinstar doesn't accept, i.e. the Canadians. I'm going to show you all the Canadians that it doesn't accept. Not a very big pile, but that still could have been an extra couple dollars in coins. I'd have to count it out to see how many dollars in coins it is, but you think where I am, I'm relatively close to the border, so I consider this regular currency, but for the Coinstars down south, maybe it's a good idea don't take Canadians because there are not many Canadian coins down there. But, I gotta figure out what to do with these. I really have no idea. Well, I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll start new and, keep adding coins and, start fresh. Which, that's kind of a good idea. Maybe I'll start fresh. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll let you know if I figure it out. My name is Mr. Fungi. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share and hit the bell icon. Till next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.